Shein current service not available, how to fix it. If you're seeing the message current service not available on Shein, don't panic. This error is usually temporary and can often be fixed in just a few minutes. In this guide, I'll show you the most common causes and the steps you can take to get the app working again. First, check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi signal or unstable mobile data connection can sometimes prevent the app from communicating with Shein's servers properly. Next, completely close the Shein app and reopen it. Many temporary glitches disappear after restarting the application. If that doesn't work, check whether the app needs an update. Running an outdated version can sometimes cause login, checkout, or loading problems. Another common fix is clearing the app cache. Cached files can occasionally become corrupted and cause unexpected errors. Clearing the cache allows the app to create fresh temporary files. You should also try signing out of your account and signing back in. This refreshes your session and may resolve account-related issues. If you're using a virtual private network, disable it temporarily and test the app again. Sometimes location-based services or security systems can interfere with app connections. Another possibility is a temporary server issue. If Shein's servers are experiencing maintenance or high traffic, you may need to wait and try again later. You can also test the Shein website in your browser. If the website works but the app doesn't, the issue is likely related to the application itself rather than your account. In most cases, the current service not available error is caused by connectivity issues, outdated app versions, temporary server problems, or cached data conflicts. Tip: keep the Shein app updated regularly to reduce the chances of running into unexpected errors and compatibility problems.